Not super bright today. What's up, everybody? Out on the grass. See that? Slowly growing in. It's happening. All those little yellow shoots that popped out of the ground the other day. That's really exciting. That the whole thing's going to be looking really good very soon. Okay, you know what time it is. It is time for the next morning video. Not the next, but the next. Well, you know what I'm trying to say. Tomorrow morning, 7:50 a.m. Join me for the live feed. Let's sit, let's chat, let's drink hot beverages, ask questions, go through the whole thing, and we'll talk about all kinds of fun stuff. Immediately following at 8 a.m. Eastern will be a video premiere. We'll sit, we'll chat some more off the side of that. And this next video coming up here has some updates about the lawn I did that had the new sod on it. That'll be good for everybody to see. Hello, dog. You have something to say? Nothing? It's just a waste. He never shuts up. And here, now, gets in front of people and then just doesn't do anything. That's nice. So we've got those updates on the new sod project, plus mainly talking about trees, Flora Green, applications with Flora Green, spraying trees and how to do it. And I will tell you that this video was an absolute pain in the butt. It was a pain in the butt for a number of reasons. Multiple shooting errors. It was fraught with issues. I had a whole sequence that I was filming from an adventure, and that camera, my GoPro, blew off the top of my UTV somewhere in the wilderness, which sucks because that had a lot of really cool stuff on it. So there was that. You know, it was just sort of a fun. Anyway, you'll see. So I'll try not to give a whole lot away. What else? That's it. So join me tomorrow, 7:50 a.m. Eastern Time for the live feed, 8 a.m. Eastern Time for the premiere, and then also number 7 tomorrow. Be the number 7 when you spot Tiny Yeti, and comment in the comment section. Spot Tiny Yeti, comment in the comment section. Number 7 is going to be the one. And we had number 9 last week, so that was pretty fun. Got that out. And that's all you need to know. I will say this. Tiny Yeti might be hard to spot in this one. Okay. I will see you guys bright and early. See ya.